So what we have to do our we have to do another question. Ian and I are playing this game called Shake Up the Conversation. Woo! All right, so I'm going to ask him a question, and then he's going to think of his answers, and then I have to guess what his answers are. Okay. Okay, I don't know what you would say, but would you rather live by the ocean or in a big city?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. I think you would say by the ocean.
Yes!
What do you think my answer would be?
I think you would live in the city because that's where your mom is. No. I think you would live by the sea.
By the sea?
Yeah.
I would wherever you're living.
Yay, by the sea.
So you couldn't get it wrong if you tried, right? Okay. Shake them up. Do you want to pick one and I'll read it to you?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know if you know the answer to that one. Do you like musical theater?
What's a musical theater?
It's like when you watch a movie and they sing and dance through the whole movie. What would be your perfect day? No, you just have to tell me this one because that one's so, like, I have to guess.
Wait, what? Do I have to?
What would be your perfect day?
Oh, what does that mean?
Like, if you could wake up and just have everything go exactly how, like, you decided that it was going to go, what would you do?
I would ask someone who makes computers to make robo hands that get me dressed when I'm in the bed and comb my hair too and brush my teeth and I could just imagine whatever I want and then it would become reality.
Yeah. What about would you set your alarm that day?
Yeah, because I could just imagine a hammer or a alarm right now. Look, I'm gonna imagine a giant jackhammer. I'm gonna squish mommy. Oh.
It's hard to
Look
at me and then maybe look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
No. Don't hurt me. Ow! Yeah. Okay, I got it. Good, we're going to the camera. We're going to pretend.
Show now.
Yeah. Okay. Now mommy's gonna. I'm gonna imagine mommy becoming a ghost in 3, 2, 1, 0. No, you gotta get that.
No, it's becoming a ghost. You just moved back so if you get both of us in. Wait. Look. It moves over to you like there's a cameraman.
Oh,
Yeah. Maybe it's the ghost.
Oh yeah, maybe
the ghost is our cameraman.
Okay, what's this thing?
Oh, yeah, I have another question.
I'm gonna give you a new body.
Are you a cat or a dog person? Cat or a dog person?
You gotta guess it, remember?
Oh, you're a dog person.
I'm both.
That's what he has to put up with.
Yeah! I'm gonna bite you. Ow.
Okay. I knew that was too easy of one. Okay. What's your favorite movie? Stick up your nose? Maybe? What was one of your proudest moments?
I already thought of that.
What?
You want to guess, remember?
When you got that sportsmanship award in flag football?
Yes, but I thought of something else, so guess again.
When you were born? That was pretty, it was a pretty proud day.
Yeah, it was, but no.
Okay, let me see. When you, took your first step? When you learned to walk?
That was pretty proud, but no.
Oh, I remember when you learned how to get off the couch by yourself.
Yeah, but no.
When you called that waiter Dada.
No.
That's what
That was embarrassing.
Let me see. When you said Dada for the first time? Your very first word?
Dada? Yeah. Dada?
What about when you, I can't think of anything else.
Should I just show you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, it was that time when Landry kicked the ball under the swing and I kicked it back no under the swing. And he said thank you to me. And I said you're welcome.
Oh, yeah, that just happened the other day, right?
No, like 6 or 7 days ago, I think. Or 4 days ago, or 5 days ago.
All right. Okay. Don't leave me here alone.
I'm just getting a glass of water.
Okay, I'm gonna press